Hello, everybody out there. Good evening to you. This is your boy Simon Snipe, Simon Peter, and I'm here yet with another video tutorial, guys. Uh, Today is the 23rd of February 2020. Hope your Sunday has been awesome. As for me, mine has been great. I've had a nice day, relaxing. Had a spent some time working out, just keeping myself fit. Yeah, but above all, also spent some time within the Roy Club community, Roy Bounty program, and I've been able to work on some of my tasks. Yeah. So, guys, quick update: the Roy Bounty, the Roy Club percentage incomes have been changed. It is now 15 to 20%. From the initial 24 to 29%. You'll realize that this is basically because of the increase in the paratax of the Prism cryptocurrency, which I talked about in one of my videos earlier on. And that increase or that difficulty in mining that has been increased has also in fact resulted to also the decrease in the percentages that we're making, because basically Roy Club makes its money out of joint paramining of the Prism cryptocurrency. So anyone out there who understands how Prism works and how Roy Club utilizes the unique features of paramining within the Prism currency will be able to understand this very flawlessly. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to make a simple presentation, to people you're planning to get on board with the Roy Club and the Roy Bounty program, and just make a simple presentation in PowerPoint and convert it into a video that you can play out there. So this video is just basically about going into your PowerPoint, making a slide presentation, and in turn making a video out of it, from the PowerPoint. So let's just get straight to it. So I already have my PowerPoint up, and I already added some things, but we shall just be going through them. All right, so this is PowerPoint presentation, guys, and this is our first slide. You can see I've already added some text here. This is Roy Club, a passive income for you and for your family. And you can realize on this Roy Club, I have already put an animation from this. Obviously, you go to the tab of animation, and I have put an animation on this, which appears on this side. So let us just see what animation that I've placed on the Roy Club text. Let's see. Okay, so that is how it appears. Yeah. All right. So that is simple animations that I've just made from these two separate texts, and you can do so much within the PowerPoint, and you can make so many animations and transitions, depending on how you would want your slide, to appear. So here I added some photo, and after adding the photo, of course, I went straight to the animation tab, and I selected one of the animations here that I felt was necessary for me. So as we can see from this side, we can see what the animation looks like. So let's just play this. Yeah, so that is like a fading, a dissolving. Well, we can't even change that. Let's try flying. Oh, okay. That is flying. Checkboard. Let's see. That's nice. Blinds. Okay. Appear. So there are many animations that you can work with, and you can play around with the delays, and how long it can take to just fade in, So I can say, okay, 1 second delay, but how long do I want that checkboarding to take place? So you can always increase from here. Let's say 3 seconds, yeah. And let's play this and see how it works. You see, 3 seconds. That is pretty cool, right? Pretty cool. So PowerPoint can give us some decent features, you know, that we can be able to work with and create awesome presentations. Yes, guys, and you can be able to create that kind of presentation. So once you're done, you know, setting up your page and, you know, adding all the things that you need, adding the effects, the animations, the transitions that you would love to be on your slide, then the other part of making it a video is actually quite easy, guys. It's actually quite easy. So after making your presentation and you've added all your effects and your presentation is ready to go, let's just click on file. Guys, this is on a Mac computer, so it would be more or less the same on Windows, but there might be some slight differences. All right, so just skip and then come to export. All right, so you give it a name. Let's say I'm going to say Roy Club, yeah. Then on the file format, this is where the magic happens. So on the file format, I'm going to select the MP4. Now, so this is video format. So I'm going to select MP4. Yeah, presentation quality. Yeah, this is a good presentation quality. And yep, I'm gonna export. So you can see here the process. It's converting, uploading the video. So you just wait for that to finish up. Yeah. So as we're waiting for that, I'd already made a certain I'd already made a certain clip already, and I'm going to be able to play it for you guys. So this is just being created. I made this, so let's play this and see. So this is one I made from here. So let's play this. Yeah, it looks pretty awesome. It's actually quite simple, and you know, you can have your video playing as you explain to your guys and just give them, you know, the bits and details of, you know, how Roy Club is, how it operates, and you know, the benefits and all that, and you know, guys will be able to, yeah, to just, you know, to just get, yeah. So otherwise, guys, thank you. So that was how you could make a video presentation out of PowerPoint for your Roy Club guys and to get them on board. Guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.